What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well, good spirits. Well, today's the day. We are here in Florida. We drove the Hulk all the way. It's time. It's time to pick up the Black Mamba. So without further ado, let's get over there. All right, we are literally 1 mile and 1 minute away from getting to VMP and seeing the Black Mamba. I feel like I'm getting excited. I'm getting a new car. Oh, I feel like it's a new car, basically. All the work they did. So we'll see what it does. And I'm a little nervous, but I'm anxious. And it's just like a new car delivery. So, oh, now we're half a mile and 30 seconds away. So, all right. After 6 months, we're coming back to the Black Mamba, guys. Here at VMP. Uh-oh, I see her, bro. I see her in all her glory.
Pretty cool. It's like a bunch of Mustang staples.
Dude, this is cool. This is it. Hulk looked like he skipped a gear there. Got a little scared?
Yeah, I know.
You a little worried there, brother? Look at you.
That carbon hood looks sick.
Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Well, guys, it's crazy. This is crazy. This is I forgot I had this car, dude. This is when they put the tire on it for us. Ooh. What?
Looks pretty legit with those wheels, doesn't it?
Yeah, the wheels are, everything comes together. Wow, guys, finally. It's like real. Oh, look at this. The Hulk and the Mamba are facing off. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Forgot about the carbon fiber trunk, dude. This is happening, yo. Look at this, dude.
They have brakes on sick. The wheels.
Ooh-wee. Yeah, the brakes. It's kind of. I think I'm so like my mind is blown to see both these cars together because it was gone for so long because of the whole virus crap that I forgot I even had this car. You know, I mean, I saw the videos, right, but to see it in person, it's gonna be super loud compared to the 500 too, because this is basically straight piped, yeah, except for the stock mufflers.
Very loud.
Yeah, it can get louder too because I have the dumps. Oh, that's us.
Yeah, that's all the rubber they dug out of the bumper when they detailed.
Oh, that's from the bumper. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, they detailed it. I was like, this looks pretty clean because my cars are never this like.
Yeah, for you.
It looks that good.
Pick up a dirty car.
No, it looks flawless. Wow. So we're gonna go Black Mamba, unlock. Let's see if this works. See what you got, Ford app. This is actually, I was told this is the only free app from Ford. Uh-oh.
It did a little
Oh, that was
wait, who did it?
Was that Chuck or was that the app?
on his app, seeing if the Ford app trying to unlock it.
Oh. Should we try a cold start from the app? Just cause? Yeah. All right, let's try a cold start from the app too. Let's see inside. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, dude, look at how clean it is.
Yeah, we had it detailed yesterday.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen my car this clean since I bought it.
This is like dangerous for you.
This is dangerous.
You can slip off the seat.
These poor souls got they got, like, you know how dirty look how dirty the Hulk is. He just drove it. It's probably like feeling so no love, dude. This looks great.
This tire is ridiculous. I love that
tire
look.
is like
The SS is they have that look,
That's
you
what
know?
I ran on my car when I went 14960 with 650 wheels. So
this is happening, guys. I'm super excited, super thankful to VMP. The brand new first ever Odin kit on the Black Mamba cold start, but from the Ford app. We'll see if it works. It might take a little longer. We had to edit it. But let's get that shot. It's gonna be loud.
it is super loud under here.
It's gonna be loud, yeah. All right, here we go. Ford app, engage, Black Mamba. See what happens.
No, look at this.
I want to see.
He's so happy.
What's under the hood? I'm happy. Oh yeah, well, it's gonna shut off for safety purposes, but let's see what we got here. Jesse, Chuck, walk me through what you guys did.
This is the man turning the wrench here.
All right.
All right, so we got your Odin kit. It's got the FIC 1000s, got the VMP Twin Jet 69, the VMP cold air intake. On top of that, we went ahead and threw oil pump gears, crankshaft sprocket in here, and then we did our 18 plus Odin fuel system. Comes with the Aeromotive parts. So it's on E85. Did a 50 plus wheel with it. I'm not sure the exact number, but we were able to get away with a single regulator system rather than the normal dual regulator systems you see. So this kit should be pretty affordable on the market, and it's holding up very well to the power. We're going to get some real life testing tonight on the
Yeah,
track for you.
this is going to be exciting. We're going to actually take it to the drag strip, so that's awesome.
And then we went ahead, we fixed your ABS issue. We did a built transmission as well,
Yeah.
so there's not going to be any slippage issues on the track.
See a big old intercooler there?
You got the triple pass heat exchanger.
Awesome.
Dual fan setup, so that way you can go to the track and you can hit pass after pass after pass and
Without heat soak.
not worried about your IATs.
Yeah, yeah. And what's cool about this is, correct me if I'm wrong, Chuck, everything you see here, I'll put a link description. Anybody can grab this for themselves.
This is all included in the kit.
This is all included in your Odin kit.
Yeah,
You can
Odin
get it.
includes the throttle body heat exchanger, FIC 1000s, the extra supercharger itself, the cold air intake.
Awesome.
The only thing not included in the kit would be like the fuel system.
Fuel system
The oil
and
pump gear.
yeah, built trans.
I'm not sending built trans out.
Yeah. The build trends. You know, that was a game time decision because we're gonna race the car so much that was just a fail safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, the thing is too, we want to see what the car can do stock bottom end. We want to see what the consumer can get to and what I can do with the best I can do with the stock bottom end, and then we'll keep going from there. But this is actually what anybody can do with their 18 plus, and we're super excited to see what it runs. This will probably be the fastest I've ever went in the Mustang tonight. So I'm super excited. But can we take it out for a first drive?
Yeah, man.
Gotcha.
That's what I'm doing.
That's what he's doing. Fired off the front side.
Yeah, what's your first reaction?
No worries about that.
All right.
It's gonna be a hell of a ride, bro.
This feels like a roller coaster here. Oh god.
Call me if you need me. I'll take the Hulk and run.
Tell my wife I love her. And,
Yeah.
all right, we'll be back, bro.
That thing's just
doing our first drive in the Hulk here, the Black Mamba, with the first VMP Odin kit on any YouTuber car here. So I'm excited. Oh man.
Yeah. So no longer what it used to be, man.
No, it's just not an NA setup anymore. We have stepped things up a couple notches.
I think you had a pretty good NA setup though. You made 500 wheel or something.
We made 500 wheel. The car went 1080s at 126, and that was very respectable for what it did.
Yeah.
And like with anything, you want to get to the next level. And we still have air conditioning in here too, guys. Yep. Some people take out air conditioning and power steering and everything. This is still a street car.
It's got all the minis. I mean, we're cruising in 10th gear. We can have a conversation.
Yeah. For having headers and all that, let me turn down the air system a little bit. It feels so good.
Yeah, we've actually got some nice boost weather here in Florida this morning.
Yeah, which I'm excited about. But it doesn't feel like it's my car. I feel like I'm driving like a VMP like
been a while,
car.
Man.
It's like
this is yours.
Yeah, it's good, man. Thank you for holding it for so long.
Yeah.
Gosh, if I say like.
Hey man, we like it. It's a nice showpiece. Everybody comes by and knows the car, wants to see it.
Awesome.
We're gonna miss it when it's gone.
A little room here.
All right. Give a little beans.
All right, this is a beast, bro. Oh my gosh.
We didn't even move.
No. The car was just like, oh, that sounds glorious.
Just floor it.
Just floor it, and it'll already grab gear. Or do I put it in gear?
No, it'll do it so.
Okay. Ooh, we're running out of gas. There wasn't much gas in here, but you know, I'm pushing a little bit. Let's do a.
Now we got some E85.
Oh, E85. Oh, this is Florida. I keep forgetting. In Jersey, like E85 is like finding a gold bar. All right, let's do this here. Let's do a little 40-50 roll action. All right. Good night. Oh, good night. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a problem for a lot of my friends. That was good.
Yeah.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Smooth.
No man, it just doesn't sing.
Transmission feels good.
Yep.
Feels good.
Yeah, man. We got a really good builder with Brett Lasala. Knows what he's doing. Builds consistent transmissions.
Well, guys, this was the first drive in the VMP Odin Supercharged Black Mamba. I don't think we have enough names yet. 2018 Mustang GT. Huge thanks and congrats to VMP on a great kit, and so appreciative of all the support they've given me. And we're just getting started. This is the first drive. We got so much more to come. Everything on this car is available in the link in the description below, and follow VMP's channel and Facebook and Instagram for more information on this kind of a build and setup for your own 2018 up Mustang. Any closing thoughts, brother?
Nah, man, we're happy to get the car back in your hands. Let's see what it does tonight.
Let's do one right now. See ya. Oh, that was good.
For a long time.
Yeah?